It's Sunday, day 11. We're both very tired this morning. For me, it's been normal really for the last 11 days not to sleep too much at night. But last night was particularly rolly, no wind. The waves from the camera, they might seem like they're calm and flat, but they're not. As soon as you stop or almost stop because you have no wind, the boat starts rolling. We can't put the motor on for too long because obviously we're limited on the fuel we've got with us. So it's you need to balance things between using the engine, using the sails, and we try to sail all night. And maybe at 4 o'clock I've succeeded to get the boat moving in a very random course. We were going to French Guiana, and we don't want to go to French Guiana, but that was the course we could sail. So I slept for about 3 hours, maybe 2-3 hours, and had a shower, got changed. So yeah, feeling human again. Need to make some lunch, and then bedtime, sleeping time, because we don't know how tonight is going to be, so we need to catch up on sleep. Anna is also a bit tired, but yeah, she's gonna have a shower soon, and things back on track. Okay, see you later.
Please out of my way, no rules on the why it begins. Not E to a L is the win, got a grin on my face and we're off to the race.